Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to everyone. So welcome to your second class of 2021. So today we will be doing a class on recording. So I hope everybody will be joining the class and watching the video. Okay, so before we begin today's lesson, we are going to take a look at your homework from last week, which is the one that I gave you on Padlet. Okay, so here we go. Unfortunately, I have only received very few submissions from you. Um, there are 6, I believe. So congratulations to all of you who sent in your homework. We have here from Intakbub. I'm sorry, but I don't remember who Intakbub really is, what your name is, and you did not include a picture of yourself. But very good, whoever you are. And this here from Dalila, well done as well, Dalila. Good to see you helping your family. And Imran, this is not Imran, I believe it is Nurin, if I'm not mistaken, is the name. Very good, washing the car. We have from Alicia, who wrote quite a bit. I'm very impressed with your writing. Alicia, keep it up, very good. And with whatever you are doing. Very impressive. One submission from Anonymous. Again, I don't know who this is. Did not write a lot too, but that is good enough. And finally, from Aina, who shows her lovely garden. Good job. Okay. And as for the rest of you, it is still not too late for you to submit your post. You can still do it. It's online after all. You can do it anytime you have free time. Okay. But as for today, we are going to be doing this. So grammar. This is our second lesson, grammar, and we're going to learn about two things, which is number one is be going to, and number two, the differences between will and be going to. You can refer to this in your textbook on page 64 of your textbook. You should have your textbook with you. And before we begin, I would like to remind you one more time to please have a notebook to write your notes and any exercise that we will be doing today. Okay, so now let's begin. I hope you are ready. Okay, be going to. The first question that many students have is be. Like, what is be? What does be mean? What is it? Okay, you need to know that be is known as two things. Sometimes it is known as a be verb. Sometimes it is also known as a verb to be. It is the same thing. Sama je, tak ada beza. Actually, term saja, terma dia saja berbeza di kalangan ahli bahasa. Okay, and be actually has 5. Okay, am. Try to guess along with me what the next ones are, which is, are, it's not coming up. Okay, was, and finally were. So yes, these are verb to be or be verb. Am, is, are, was, and were. And the next question is, when do we use the right be verb? Because there are 6 be verbs. When do we use the right one? For this, we are going to be looking at this. Okay, so it has 4 functions. Affirmative, we'll start with affirmative. So you can see the table here. We have the pronouns, kata ganti nama. I'm going to check to see if you can. I'm going to have to make my picture slightly smaller. Okay. Okay, so repeat after me what the pronouns are. These are kata ganti nama. There are 7 that you should know. I, you, they, we, he, she, it. Okay, cara senang nak ingat dia. Ingat, you need to remember them in this order to make this easy, ya. Ikut turutan yang saya buat ni. I, you, they, we, he, she, it. I, you, they, we, he, she, it. I, you, they, we, he, she, it. Macam bahasa Melayu kan? I, you, they, we, he, she, it. Okay. He, she, it. Okay. say it correctly. I don't want to say something wrong on class. Okay, so anyways, kita boleh bahagikan dia to see if they are singular or plural. So you, they, we, these are all plural pronouns. Okay, dianggap sebagai banyak. And he, she, it are singular. Whereas we'll leave it there for a while. Okay, kita buat last kali nanti for a special reason. Okay, so affirmative untuk ayat penyata, bila kita kata you, tadi be going to kan, kita belajar tentang be going to. What do we say? Which be verb do we use? We need to use you are going to. And they, we semua ni, because they are all plural, kita gunakan are. You are going to, they are going to, we are going to, macam tu. If it's in the past, we use were. You were going to, they were going to, and we were going to. Singular. He, she, it. He is going to. She is going to. It is going to. And if it's in the past tense, is jadi was. He was going to, she was going to, and it was going to. And I, finally, we go to I. I, special. Because, why is I special? Because I am special. Say it with me. I am special. That's right, you are special. And I was going to. I am going to. I was going to. I ni dia, sometimes it is singular, sometimes it is plural. That is why it is special. Okay, negative. Negative, bila kita nak buat ayat nafi. So again, we know that I, special. You, they, we, plural. And he, she, it is, that's right, singular. Okay, so now I. Sama saja actually, it is very similar to the above. Bila kita nak kata saya akan pergi, I am going to. Kalau kita nak kata saya tak akan pergi, you just need to put, tadi kita kata am going to, kini kita kata I am not going to. Okay, just like that. You, tadi are, jadi kita kena tambah apa? Are not going to. They are not going to. We are not going to. And he, she, it is not going to. He is not going to. She is not going to. It is not going to. I was not going to. You were not going to. Okay? I hope you understand so far. He, she, it, sama seperti I, was not going to, it was not going to. Okay, bila kita tukar kepada question, however, it is a little bit in reverse. Dia terbalik sikit. If you say tadi, I was going to, you are going to. Okay, kamu akan pergi. You are going to. Let me write here. Oops, dia lari sikit. Okay. He is going to school. Tomorrow. Okay. He is going to school. No, bukan tanda tanya. He is going to school tomorrow. Of course, he can't go to school tomorrow because of, COVID. Tapi contoh je lah. Bila kita nak tanya soalan, kita akan letak be verb ni di hadapan. So, it will be, is he going to school tomorrow? Is he going to school tomorrow? See, kita ambil is, letak dia kat depan sini. I'm thinking of another example. I am. Okay, so I am. This is in the textbook. I am going to work in a hotel. Ayat penyata. This is affirmative. Kalau kita nak jadikan dia soalan, kita ambil am. I going to work in a hotel. Saya nak kerja kat hotel ke? Am I going to work? It's really a weird question, but itulah jawapan dia, okay? Itulah soalan dia yang betulnya. And then finally, macam mana kita nak jawab? How are you going to answer it in short answer? Is he going to school tomorrow? We say, yes, he is. Or, kalau kita kata tidak, no, he is not. He's not. Kamu tak perlu kata, yes, he is going to school tomorrow. You just have to say, yes, he is. And you don't say that, no, he is not going to school tomorrow. Boleh kalau nak jawab panjang macam tu pun. Tapi cukup sekadar kamu kata, no, he is not. Maksudnya, dia tak akan pergi ke sekolah esok. I'm going to work in a hotel. Macam mana kita nak jawab? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Okay. All right. So I hope you are clear about that. So now we are going to turn to your textbook on page 64. Okay, here. Okay, so here it says that we use be going to talk about future plans, rancangan kita masa depan, and intentions, dan niat kita nak buat sesuatu benda. Okay, number 1, we're going to do this exercise. Please do this in your books. Don't forget to write the day and date today. Tajuk dia, grammar, be going to. Okay, exercise number 1. You're going to do this with me. I'm going to explain before you do it. We'll ignore number 1. We'll do number 2 here. Complete the sentences with the correct form of be going to and the verbs in the bracket. Okay. Jadinya contohnya Adam not go to university. Is it Adam is, Adam am, Adam was, Adam were, not. And then go, kita kena tukar dia kepada tambah ing. Okay. Because if we look, sorry, mana tadi? Bukan tambah ing. Going to. Okay, so is it is not going to, am not going to, was not going to, were not going to, macam tu ya. Okay, so Adam, let's just do number 1 together. For example, Adam to university, because this one the answer is a bit weird. Adam is not going to go to university. Going to go. Okay, macam tu. Adam is not going to go to university. Okay, so now I want you to pause. Hit the pause button on the video and do the rest 2, 3, 4, 5 on your own. After you have finished, click continue on the video to check the answers. Okay, so now pause the video. Hit the pause button. Alright, welcome back. I hope you have finished your exercise. We're going to check the answers here. Number 2, he and his best friend. Okay, he and his best friend. This is they, plural kan. So, are going to design computer games. Okay. 3, they are going to sell them to big companies. 4, his parents are not going to be happy. And 5, Adam thinks he is going to make lots of money. Okay, so please make sure that you tick all the right answers and make corrections. Write the correct answer on top using a red pen if you have. If not, just use whatever pen you have. It's okay. Okay, we're going to move to question 3. Write the questions using be going to. So tadi, these are the affirmative ayat penyata. Kita nak tukar ini kepada soalan. You go shopping on Saturday. So we'll do number 1 together as example. Be going to. Remember, when you want to write a question, you need to start the sentence with the be verb or the verb to be. So you, pronoun dia you. Kita mulakan dengan apa? That's right, are. So are you going to go shopping on Saturday? Are you going to go shopping on Saturday? Adakah kamu akan pergi shopping pada hari Sabtu? Okay, so now you're going to do questions 2 to 5 on your own. Again, hit the pause button. Make sure you hit the pause button and don't listen to the answers. Okay, welcome back. We are going to discuss the answers. Number 2, anyone. Anyone. Okay, the clue here is the word one. One. Whenever you see one, it means one person. So it is singular. Is anyone going to give you money for your birthday? Number 3. Save. Are you going to save your pocket money? Your parents. Ramai kan, plural. So are. Are your parents going to let you get a job? And number 5, you. So, are you going to be a millionaire in the future? Okay. Alright. Although I said in the beginning that we are going to discuss be going to and will, okay, I'm going to explain this to you very shortly. Okay, you can look at this in your textbook here. I'm sorry, it is not here. It is on page 70. Where is it? Page 71. Page 71. Where is 71? 70. Okay, here we are. Will and be going to. I'm going to explain this very shortly to you, and hopefully you can understand apa beza will and be going to. We use will to talk about future predictions or decisions we make at the moment of speaking. Okay, keputusan yang kita buat, satu prediction, makna kita teka-teka jangkaan, and second is decisions we make at the moment of speaking. Benda yang kita buat keputusan sekarang. Kamu nak buat satu benda tu pada masa akan datang, tapi kamu buat keputusan dia sekarang. I'll take the bus home. Dia nampak bus datang, lepas tu dia kata, saya akan ambil bus. I'll take the bus home. But we use be going to talk about future plans and intentions. Keinginan, niat. Apa benda yang kamu rancang nak buat. So I'm going to the cinema with Jack tomorrow. It is a plan. You have an intention, kamu ada niat nak pergi to the cinema tomorrow. Again, tak boleh pergi cinema unfortunately because of COVID. So if it's a concrete intention, benda yang kamu ada plan nak buat, we use be going to. Kalau yang tak berapa, keputusan yang kamu buat sekarang je. So perbezaan dia adalah be going to it is more concrete. Dia lebih kukuh. And will, macam benda yang kamu rasa nak buat. Okay. Tak semestinya kamu buat. When I was in school, this is how my teacher explained to me the difference between be going to and will. Mana yang kuat, mana yang tak kuat. So my teacher told us, the class, if one day once you are grown up and a man what is it? A man comes to you and say, I am going to marry you. Okay, ni dia cakap pada perempuan lah, obviously. Jangan, bukan lelaki cakap pada lelaki pula. Na'udzubillah. Kan, I am going to marry you. Dengan I will marry you. Ada dua orang. So which one do you choose? Choose the one who says I am going to marry you. Sebabnya dia ada plan, dia ada intention. Whereas the one who says I will marry you tu, dia buat dia punya keputusan dia on the spot. Masa tu je dia baru buat keputusan. Dia bukan merancang betul-betul nak kahwin pun. So that is how you remember easily the difference between going to and will. Dua-dua ni maksud dia sama, maksud dia akan, tapi fungsi dia sahaja berbeza sedikit. Okay, we are going back to what page was that? No, not here, not here. Hey. Oh, yeah, here. Okay. So, will and be going to. Okay, look at number 5. Copy and complete the rules with be going to or will. Tak perlu tulis ni dalam buku kamu. Kita buat sama-sama je. A. We use to talk about future predictions or decisions we make at the moment of speaking. Is it will or be going to? Yes, the answer is will. I'll do the washing up. Jawapan dah bagi dah kat sini pun. And we use be going to talk about future plans and intentions. Okay. Now take a look at number 6. Okay, this one I want you to do in your book. Complete the sentences with the correct form of be going to or will. So I, is it I will help you carry those bags or I am going to help you carry those bags? Okay, so do 1 to 5 in your book. You don't need to draw the picture, obviously. Just write this in your book and fill in the blank. Okay, if you are ready, hit the pause button and continue after you have finished the exercise to check the answers. Okay, hit pause now. Alright, welcome back. We are going to check the answers. Number 1, I will help you carry those bags. Okay, because it is made at the moment. Dia nampak orang tu bawa barang banyak, dia nak tolong, so I will help you. Okay, here, he is going to buy or will going to buy an ice cream. He will buy an ice cream. He is going to buy an ice cream. Mana satu? Dia dah nak beli dah kan? So, it is not a prediction. It is not something that is made on the moment. So, intention. It is because intention. He is going to buy an ice cream. Okay, this girl, he sees a dog there. It will grow a lot because it is a prediction. She doesn't know whether it will grow or not, but she predicts. They will are going to. You see, he is already outside with the gun. So they are about to rob. Dah nak rompak dah tu. So kita gunakan they are going to rob a bank. Okay, so nampak perbezaan dia antara will dengan going to. Bila kamu nampak orang tu dah nak buat dah, so obviously they are going to. Okay, going to, bukan will dah. And 5, it's okay, what? You will be or you are going to be? You will be, that's right. You will be because it is a prediction, ramalan. You will be a scientist. Live on the moon and be very happy. Okay, and that is all for our lesson today. I am going to give you a link in our group for you to write your attendance and also include a picture of the exercise that you did today. So make sure you finish it and take a picture of your exercise book for so that I know that you have finished today's exercises. If you have any questions, you may simply ask in our group, or you can also put a comment down below as well, whatever is easier for you. Okay, thank you very much, and I will see you in our next lesson. Assalamu alaikum.